Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best baby care products on the market, Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes. If you're on the lookout for a baby wipe that combines gentle care with effective cleaning, you're in the right place. Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes are a must-have for parents who want the best for their little ones. Let's explore what makes these wipes so special. Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes stand out from the crowd with an impressive formula made up of 99% purified water. This simple yet effective composition is designed specifically for sensitive skin, ensuring that your baby stays clean without irritation. Each wipe is dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic, making them an excellent choice for babies prone to allergies or skin sensitivities. The wipes are also fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and free from harmful chemicals like parabens and latex, which means you can use them with confidence. One of the key features of Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes is their commitment to skin health. These wipes help restore your baby's natural pH levels with each use, supporting healthier skin compared to other brands. The unique one-wipe pop-top design keeps the wipes moist and easily accessible, ensuring that you can grab just one when you need it. Parents often praise how effective these wipes are for everything from diaper changes to messy hands and faces, making them a versatile addition to your baby care routine. When compared to other leading baby wipes, Pampers Aqua Pure consistently shines. They have been clinically proven to be gentler on the skin than just water and washcloths. In fact, many parents have reported that these wipes leave their baby's skin feeling softer and cleaner than alternatives. Whether you're at home or on the go, Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes make cleanup quick and easy, without sacrificing your child's comfort. In today's environmentally conscious world, many parents are also looking for eco-friendly options. Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes are made with care for the planet in mind. The wipes are plastic-free, reducing their environmental impact while still providing the high-quality performance that Pampers is known for. This combination of effectiveness and eco-friendliness gives parents peace of mind, knowing they're making a responsible choice. The product comes in various packaging options, with the most popular being the 672-count package, which includes 12 flip-top packs. This ensures that you have enough wipes to last, reducing the need for frequent reorders. With a competitive price point, Pampers Aqua Pure Wipes deliver incredible value for money. They have also earned the title of Amazon's Choice, thanks to their high ratings and popularity among parents. So, if you're searching for the best baby wipes for your little one, Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes deserve a top spot on your list. With their commitment to quality, gentleness, and environmental consciousness, these wipes truly offer a superior experience for both babies and parents alike. Thank you for joining us on this review of Pampers Aqua Pure Sensitive Baby Wipes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, take care, and happy parenting.